This project utilized precast components and an innovative design concept to replace a deteriorating bridge carrying a high ADT route.
The project is an excellent example of designing for efficiency at a congested construction site. Due to traffic constraints, the old bridge could not be taken out of service or the number of lanes reduced. The innovative solution was to build new piers underneath the old bridge and adjacent to the existing substructures, and then laterally slide the new superstructure underneath the old, resting on top of the new substructures. The chosen solution is an aesthetically pleasing bridge replacement for an older three-span structure.
The use of precast pre-stressed concrete slabs made the design possible by providing the necessary vertical and horizontal clearances given the constraints of the existing bridge overhead, and reduced the overall on-site construction time. Overall, the use of precast allowed for a unique solution to be developed, allowing for the existing bridge to be replaced in only a 56-hour weekend closure.